Welcome to viewers, you are watching my channel Albaro e-money. Now today I am going to tell you about the website number 6. So come to the website and log in your account. Login, captcha, fill out, and then go to the let's move to the first way of earn from survey. These are the surveys in the website that you are watching at the moment, available to fill out and earn the tokens which are convertible to the cryptocurrencies. Ultimately you will find the money after getting these survey fill out. Next way of earning is from ads and daily bonus. This is the daily bonus tab, and you will click here. On the daily basis you get the percentage higher and higher, and you have to fill 2 PTC ad first of all, then you will get the daily bonus. Now click on any ad, view for the given time, just like this. I open this ad and this is about 5-second ad. As the ad completes, you fill out the captcha and verify it. Then you got the 21 tokens. Number 2 ad. Now I am going to see the ad number 2. This is the time out, and you fill out the captcha, verify it, then these are the 21 tokens. I think 21 tokens got. Now next, avail the daily bonus on regular basis. It increased your earning. Let's say you get the 20 tokens, and if you have availed the daily bonus, you will get the 22-25 tokens. Regularly you fill out the daily bonus and you will get these tokens into cryptocurrency that showing on your dashboard. This is the different types of cryptocurrencies: Dogecoin, USDT, BTCs, Solana. You can convert these tokens into cryptocurrencies as you like. And now the next earning method is faucet. Claiming a faucet. A faucet is this is the happy hour will begin after 5 hours approximately. Now come to the faucet tab and match these digits with the below given, and click on these digits, calculating, and fill out the captcha and then verify it, and you get the 57 token, I think so. And this is the time when you come back again to earn from faucet. Now the next method is short links. Come to the short link tab, and this is very simple and easy. You can do this task while doing other things on other websites. Now click on any short link, it will open, it will redirect to your the next page or next website, and fill out whatever the website is asking. Do crosswalk, click on the crosswalk. This is the captcha form, fill out, and again one more page, fill out the captcha and click on this, click to continue. The short links are basically the best way to earn more money than the PTC ads. Short link gives a big amount of tokens instead of PTC. You can close the unnecessary tabs and continue, and again continue, and now this is the last step, I think so, generate link. Now you have to wait 10 seconds. It will complete and you will earn the tokens which will be automatically converted to the cryptocurrencies. And click on this URL, and 12 seconds more you have to wait to get the money. I think this is the last step for this short link. If the short link stop and timer is not running, then you can click on the timer, it will run out. Now you can see the dialog box success, and you have earned 130 point something tokens in USDT. You convert it into BTC. One short link completed. In this short video, I tried to convey all the ways of earning money from this website. You should practice on these ways of earnings in this website. I hope you will get the benefit. Hopefully, see you for the next time in next video. Take care.